Ihe woza ngikuhlwebele kushubile bafethu. So apparently the South Africans that have been stuck in Dubai after attacks or explosions connected to military conflict in the Middle East involving the United States, Israel, and Iran. South Africans who were in Dubai for work, for travel, and for personal reasons are now stuck without or with no clear way out. The airspace over the United Arab Emirates has been closed. Dubai International Airport confirmed that its operations have been affected by these missiles, or let me just say these whatever's happening basically. So South Africans who are in the UAE are calling for help. They're scared. They do not know when they'll be able to get home. Their families back in South Africa are worried that this story, that what is happening, they might never see their children again, in currently stuck in the UAE. One of the South Africans who went public about being stranded is the reality TV personality and DJ Eva Modiga. On Saturday, 28th of February 2026, she posted a public statement through her official Instagram account. She said she was in Dubai to celebrate her birthday and for professional work. She had been booked as a DJ for events in the city. She said all the events she was booked for basically were disrupted. She said her flights have been suspended. She reported that she has suffered financial losses of approximately 250,000 rands because her bookings were cancelled. She said these circumstances are completely beyond her control. She even reached or made an appeal to President Cyril Ramaphosa and the Department of International Relations and Cooperations, known as DECRI, to urgently intervene and assist South Africans who are currently in the region. In her own words from the statement, she said, "We respectfully request guidance, support, and possible evacuation measures to ensure our safe return home." Her words have since been shared widely across South African social media. The popular blogger known as MDN News reshared Eva Modiga's statement on X, which is formerly known as Twitter. From there, it spread quickly across platforms. Thousands of South Africans saw the appeal and began to respond. The reactions were mixed. Some people supported Modiga and expressed genuine concern for her safety. Others were more critical. The debate online brought up important questions about what the South African government should be doing for its citizens in times like this. It also brought up questions about personal responsibility when traveling abroad. This is a story that has touched South Africans at home because many people know someone who travels to Dubai regularly. Dubai is a major destination for South Africans, whether for business, tourism, or events. The fact that such a familiar and popular city is now in danger or a danger zone has shocked many people back home. People are watching this story very closely. The South African government has been following the developments in the Iran. Let me just say, in Iran with concern. DICRO issued a statement saying the reports, or let me just say, DICRI issued a statement saying the reports of the unrest and subsequent loss of life are concerning, and that South Africa urges all parties to exercise maximum restraint. South Africa has also separately urged all its citizens currently in the Islamic Republic of Iran to contact the South African embassy in Tehran to ensure that they are registered and that their whereabouts are known to the embassy. DICRO noted in that statement that South Africa's support in the country is limited and that face-to-face consular assistance may not be possible in an emergency. Depending on location, citizens were further encouraged to assess their own safety and security and act accordingly. At the time of this report, there has been no specific public response from the presidency or DICRO directly addressing Eva Modiga's appeal or a broader evacuation plan or execution plan. Yeah, I think so. For South Africans in the UAE, the story is still developing and will monitor for any official government response. Well, we should be like, guys, people who are stuck in the ma-Arab yabo bafethu will let you come back home. But yeah, this is what we have bafethu. Please make sure you subscribe for more updates ngazo le story lezi.